video will focus much into quadratic sequence. As what I've told you in the first video, that the quadratic sequence follows this form: an squared plus bn plus your c. We will derive the formula, but then let me just give you an example. Okay, so you have 6, 11, 18, 27, 38, 51. 38, 51. So basically, if you notice that in here, let's check whether this one is a quadratic or not. So this is 6, 11, that is plus 5. 11 to 18 is plus 7. 18 to 27 is plus 9. So basically, that's plus 11. And then this one here is plus 13. And then as you notice, the second difference is plus 2. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. And because the second difference are all the same, then this is quadratic equation. There is, I don't know if you still remember in your IGCSE, that it says that the first term is A plus B plus C. Thus, the first difference, my handwriting is a little bit ugly. My first difference, I think we don't need to derive this one. You just need to remember 3A plus B. And then my second difference is equal to 2A. So basically, for you to be able to find the equation of the sequence, you just need to find the A, the B, and the C. So by applying this formula, okay, by applying that relationship, you need to find what is an A, what is the B, and what is the C. So it says here the second difference. What is our second difference is in here. This is our second difference. So therefore 2A is equal to 2. Your A is equal to 1. So therefore the first one there will be the U sub n is equal to 1n squared, because that is the value of our A. Now let's try to find the B. The B says the first difference. So that first difference is this one, this 5. That 5 is your first difference. This one. Alright, that is your first difference. So therefore, let's try to get the first difference according to this is 3A plus B is equal to 5. But you know your A is 1, so 3 times 1 plus B is equal to 5, so B is equal to 2. So the B is 2, so plus Bn, so that's going to be 2n. And now we need to find the C. The C is the first term, so this is our C. The C is 6, so we're going to get that one. A plus B plus C is equal to 6. But A is 1, B is 2, C is missing. So therefore from here, C is 3. So therefore our equation now is this. Okay? Hopefully that this one is clear. So if you see a problem, you just try to check what kind of sequence is it. Is it arithmetic sequence? Is it a quadratic sequence? There is also what we call geometric sequence, but it's not included yet in your book. But next time we're gonna learn this one as well. Okay, geometric sequence. There is also a very famous one, Fibonacci sequence. Okay, wherein many of our nature, flowers, bees, the dimension of our body follows Fibonacci sequence. So this is the most useful sequence in the world, I think, because it explains many relationship in our nature. So that's end for this video. Try to answer the exercises in 7.1. Thank you.